Hi, I'm Kathy Fettke, and I'm here live in Las Vegas, as you can see behind us, the pool. We're at the Four Seasons, and I am here with Jon Lee, who runs a real estate investment group here. I just got invited to speak last night. That was really great. Packed house. Lots of people who were hoping probably that they could still invest in the in the Las Vegas real estate market. And what are your thoughts on that? Is it still a good time?
It depends on what you want to do, but right now it's not really conducive if you're trying to if you're trying to rehab and flip in volume in Las Vegas. It's a pretty competitive market and it's harder to get those discounts. Also, if you're looking to cash flow with rental properties in Vegas, probably not the most conducive time either, because if you're purchasing at retail price, you're going to be looking at a 3 to 4% return on investment.
Man, you can get that in California.
And pay a lot more for it. So.
All right, so if you can't get cash flow here anymore, and you can't really, do you think there's appreciation still to come?
There's some appreciation, but just fundamentally, as the type investor I am, I don't ever count on this appreciation.
Not a good idea. Well, also you have to understand that this is a heavy service industry area, so that means that some salaries are not as high in the service industry, and so those people wouldn't necessarily be able to qualify for higher priced homes. I think affordability is already out of whack, so you got to be careful with that. Plus, you mentioned earlier that this is a renter town, so not necessarily people are even looking to buy because they're just here part time. Okay.
Yeah, you would be looking at, average rental time here is somewhere around a year. So if you can get somebody in for a year lease, there's a good chance that they're moving on beyond that. As opposed to other places or places in the Midwest, which renters could be there for years. So
if you're not, and all this has changed literally in the last couple of years. It was still great just a few years ago, right?
Yeah, I mean,
it's still tough.
It's been competitive for a couple years now, but we bottomed down in 2011, or at the very end of 2011. So we're just now coming back up, in the cycle.
Yeah. So where are you investing now?
Our focus is for cash flow, the Midwest, Ohio, Detroit, Indiana, those areas.
Yep.
We do also have interest in certain places in the South, but that's for cash flow. We have had a focus in Southern California for quick capital gains, but we're not even really looking at that anymore for the capital gains side.
All right. Well, that's the update here, live from Las Vegas, with a seasoned real estate investor who owns a big investment club here, or I should say co-founder. And so that's news you should listen to. Thanks for joining me. I'm Kathy Fettke, and if you want to hear more, you can go to realwealthshow.com.